So I originally recorded this for IGTV, so that's why everything is vertical. So, if you're watching this on your phone, just flip it vertical. If you're watching this on your TV or computer, sorry. I've had this kettlebell for about a decade now, and I have never taken care of the handle. I mean, really, what happens to metal when you expose it to oxygen over a long period of time is that it rusts. I don't know if you ever exercised with a rusty handle on a kettlebell, but it's no fun. Your hand gets stained brown and all that stuff. It's really weird. You don't want to put that on your face at all by any means. So what we're going to do is actually sand it for the first time in 10 years. So this kettlebell is actually a first generation Valery Fedorenko kettlebell, and those who were around that long ago, the handles were never in a great condition to begin with. Some of the newer kettlebells that have come out on the market since, at least 10 years ago, the handles are a lot smoother. They're actually a nicer metal overall. Not like these old guys. But again, those old kettlebells have a lot of sentimental value to me. So I'm going to take care of this kettlebell right now and sand that handle. Huge improvement in the kettlebell handle quality. Yeah, so what I actually use to sand the handle of the kettlebell is a sanding sponge. And this is actually meant for drywall of all things. But it worked actually tremendously well. And I got the idea from Patrick Burkhardt from Agatsu in Montreal. So thanks, Pat, for the recommendation. This thing actually worked quite well. So one thing I didn't mention earlier is that you should really wear a mask when you're sanding that kettlebell, because all those little particles are just kind of flying around. You're breathing that gunk in. It's not really good for you. I made that mistake, and I can tell you when I blew my nose later, it was all like that brown kind of black color. So make sure you wear protection. So, I hope you got some use out of this video. You have a better idea of how to take care of the handles of your kettlebell now. So just go to literally any of your hardware stores. I got mine from Lowe's for literally like $6. I got 2 of those sponges. So it's something that's super cheap, super available, and it makes a tremendous difference on the quality and condition of your handles of the kettlebells. So if you like this video, please recommend it to your friends. Really don't know how this works on IGTV. I think there's a share button anyway, so you can kind of share with your friends, I believe. Please please comment, that'd be appreciated. And we'll see you next time. Okay.